We are back for the C League. C League Triathlon is here. Let's see who will win and who will lose. Sandstones, Growlers, Wojo Rollers and Penguin Suits are first. And Penguin Suits start first. Shepard, Penguin Suits and Growlers. Purple Rollers are in last right now. But they landed first. And Wojo Rollers will advance with the Sandstones. The Growlers are out. Crazy Mints, Chocolate Blast, Team Horizon, and Green Line. Who win this one? So far, Team Horizon are in front on the Skeletons. Skeletons fighting Team Horizon to get to advance. Skeletons are trying their hardest, but it's not going to be enough. Crazy Mints will advance and Chocolate Blast. Honestly, I have no clue what the hell they were doing. But that's going to be probably bottom half somewhere for them. It's now. I think it's Hornets, Ice Chippers, Tidal Waves, and Limpy Jungles. Let's see, who advanced here? Limpy Jungles have the early lead. Hornets Shipper. Remember, Hornets are one of these marbles who are trying to get in the middle. And they will easily win. Maybe Jungles will easily get the silver here. Ice Chipper third with Tidal Waves 4th. And actually that's the new last place. Now we've got the Flaming Cobras. Volcano, no, not Volcanoes. Whoever that is, Quicksilvers and Lizards. No, that is Volcanoes, I'm sorry. Can the Volcanoes do something? And all Flaming Cobras are in front. They're not gold medalists. Lizards go there. So the Quicksilvers now. And the leading Jungles. No, listen. They will not advance. They'll be 11th for the Lizards, Volcanoes. And now that's new. They're last. Not good. Now, Quicksilvers, Flaming Cobras, Silver Forwards, and Leaping Jungles, and Leaping Jungles are in front. Silver Forwards in second now. Now the Flaming Cobras are there. And the Silver Forwards do anything. Oh, yes, they are chasing them. But no, they're getting shoved. And what is? And now be Flaming Cobras and Leaping Jungles. What for Wallace to another end. Over the Quicksilvers. Sandstones. Hornets, Crazy Mints and Team Rising. And the Hornets advance. That'd be great for them. To save up the chance in the middle. Oh look, they're up there. Oh, and Hornets. And Team Horizon. The two teams that really need something for them. Sandstones are out. So that will be easily 7th. Crazy Mints, good enough for 8th. But now, we're going to go to the gold medal match. It's between Hornets, Flaming Cobras, Team Horizon, and Leaping Jungles. Who will get the gold medal? And so far, it's the Flaming Cobras in front. Can they get back to back gold medals? Hey, look at the Hornets! And the Hornets will get the gold! Team Horizon 4th, just off the podium. But the Hornets have finally done it! They have won an event and in the triathlon. The Hornets will be celebrating tonight. And maybe this can bring some of the fans back after disappointing seasons. This new coach must be helping them. But that is the C League done. We'll see you for next time for the D League. We'll see you for that. Let's see how our 14 brand new teams will go. And then we're heading off to balancing.